Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. The topic is travel and vacations. Listen and repeat the vocabulary. Map, departure board, passport, car rental company, go on a cruise, at the beach, in the mountains, at the lake, commercial flight, hail a taxi, sail a boat, catch a train. The passengers are waiting. Freeway or motorway, runway, subway or underground, landing, taking off, window seat, aisle seat, boarding a plane, check-in, car, tour bus, city, countryside, dormitory, often called a dorm for short, tour guide, backpacker, sightseeing, listen and repeat. Airport terminal, part of an airport where passengers can board and alight planes. Commercial flight, a journey by plane to transport passengers or cargo. Delayed flight, a flight that will be taking off later than planned. Hitchhiking, traveling by asking strangers for a ride in their vehicle. Bus station or bus terminal, a meeting point to catch buses to different destinations. Passengers, the people traveling on a journey by plane or train and so on. Jumbo jet, a large airplane. Airport, a place where planes arrive and leave from. Sightseeing, visiting interesting places when you're on vacation. Tower, a tall, narrow building. Tour, a trip through a place to see the things in it. Turbulence, wind or storms that cause a plane to shake unexpectedly. Repeat the vocabulary. Traveling on land. People travel on land along roads. Cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycles carry people and goods from one place to another. People who need to travel long distances often use wide roads called highways. Traveling on water. People have invented hundreds of different ways of traveling on water. Big ships and boats carry people and heavy loads long distances, far out to sea. Small boats, such as sailboats, can be sailed on lakes and rivers. Traveling by air. Thousands of people travel long distances in airplanes every day. First, passengers have to get on board an airplane at an airport. The control tower tells the pilot when to take off. The plane speeds down the runway until it lifts off the ground. What does each image represent? Guess the transportation. I travel in the sky and can fly long distances all over the world. I have 4 wheels and an engine that runs on gas. I travel on rails, pulling carriages along with an engine. I can carry people and heavy loads out to sea. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.